everybody, Brittany here, and I wanted to show you guys really quick. I only have about 10 minutes. I want to do a quick little project with some of the new products that are going to be coming out next week. So yesterday I did a little video over, I did a little unboxing of all of the new cool stuff that came in, and today I wanted to make a quick little project. So the only thing here that's not new that I'm using are the paste colors. So the paste colors, those are current paste colors, Peacock and Wildberry, which I love those two colors, especially together. But I'm going to be using the fuzzing cloth. I'm going to be using the I'm not adulting today. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. And if you're in the Midwest with all this like crazy cold, you know exactly how I feel. And then the new pedestal stand. Oops, it's upside down. Yeah, make sure you chalk it the right way. Oops. There is a little hole in the back. So there's a hole in the stand, and then there's a hole here. And then there is a peg. Oops, I still have the tape on it. There we go. There's a peg that goes in the back, and you just gotta line it up so that way it stays. Ta-da! And it's not going anywhere. And there's a hole on either side, so you can do it vertical or horizontal either way. So I'm gonna pull that out, and I'm gonna do my project really quick. Oh, and I'm using the cute little mini squeegees. You guys, aren't those adorable? Love them. Sorry, my hands are a mess. I was making jewelry and I was using Sharpie like 5 minutes ago. All right, so since it's a new transfer, you want to fuzz it, which is why we've got the fuzzing cloth now. So basically all you do is just press it down. Sometimes you just need to do it once, sometimes twice. It just depends on what kind of surface you're using. If you're using glass and it's the first time you've used a transfer, you're gonna probably wanna do it 3 or 4 times, because glass is the hardest surface to work with in terms of, you know, getting your transfer to not stick so much. So if it's just a chalkboard, then a couple times is fine. There we go. So I've got that on there. Hope I can see that. If you're watching on replay, if you could just comment replay or just say hi. All right. And if you know anybody else who doesn't want to adult today, share this video. Okay, so let's see. What colors should I do here? I think I'm going to do I'm Not. Ooh, I love the mini squeegees. Okay, this is the first time I'm using it. They're very rigid, very stiff, which makes it way easier to chalk. And then I'm gonna do Tomorrow Doesn't Look Good Either in pink. There we go. Got that. And then I'm gonna do the Peacock in, actually, hold on. I'm gonna add some white in here, because I think that today would look cute in white. So I'm just going to wipe this off really quick. And let me grab, there it is, grab my white paste. Oops. Get some on there. And the cool thing about this is that if I decide that I don't like the colors, so if I peel it up and I'm like, not really feeling it, just with a wet paper towel, you can wipe it off, since it's a chalkboard surface, and do it again. So there we go. Or if maybe you let it dry too long on the transfer before you pull it off. Oh my gosh, I love it. Super cute. And then I'm just gonna spray it down over in my little pan. Okay. Oops, I got some up there. So there we have that. You guys can see that. Isn't it cute? And then I'm gonna put it on my little pedestal. Put the little peg in the back. And then there you have it. Oops. Cute little sign. And it's chalkboard, so you can wash it off, redo it if you need to. But yeah, that's all I've got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed my quick little sneak peek. February 4th is the new catalog, so make sure you're ready for that. You can grab these surfaces, you can grab the transfer, the little mini squeegees, and this cool little fuzzing cloth. So have a wonderful afternoon. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.